Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains how to accept instant bookings in the Instawork app, allowing you to quickly confirm shifts without waiting for approval. First, open the Instawork app and go to the Find Shifts section. When browsing available shifts, some jobs will have an Instant Book label. This means you can accept the shift immediately, without needing the employer's approval. To accept an instant booking, simply tap on the shift you want and then select the Book Now button. The app will confirm your booking instantly, and the shift will appear in your schedule. Instant bookings help you secure shifts faster and reduce waiting time, making it easier to manage your work schedule efficiently. If you don't see instant booking available, it may mean the employer requires manual approval or that feature isn't enabled for that particular job. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.